This is the Aquor House Hydrant V1. And if you're looking to replace your regular outdoor faucet, I'd recommend you go ahead and replace it with this Aquor model here. There are two versions. There's one for retrofitting, and there's also a model where if you're building a new home, you can install one. And this is going to look really sleek on the outside of any home, whether you're retrofitting it or putting on a new house. It's really cool. It's frost free. This adapter does come with the faucet itself. It's really cool on how this works. So you lift up the cap that's covering the faucet inside. You take your connector and you slot it in and then twist it to the right, and then water will come out. To disconnect, turn it to the left and you can pull it out. Now, this will drain a little bit. I'll leave a link to the Aquor House Hydrant in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one. This is a frost-free hydrant, so you can remove this for the winter, close the cap, and you can leave it like this and it's not going to freeze over the winter. There are different lengths of faucets for the inside of your wall, depending if you're going through your basement or if you're going through some siding and wall like I have here. So I have a really short pipe on the inside that hooks up to the PEX pipe that runs from the rest of my water system. But if you do need a longer pipe, you can get that too. And you can also connect this up to copper pipe as well as the PEX pipe. They're different connectors, and just make sure that you pick the correct option for you depending on what pipe you have. This is a great upgrade to a faucet. So if you're looking to transform how your house looks on the outside, get rid of those old looking faucets, I'd really recommend that you upgrade to the Aquor House Hydrant.